So yesterday I cut this tree down and I was using the chainsaw to cut these boards here. And the first cut didn't turn out too bad, but then the second or third cut kind of came out a little hokey, and I got all this kind of chainsaw got away from me. But I did get two of these good, decent boards. So I'm going to try it on that one again today. So you can see here, I did this one. This ended up a little angled. This one got a little angled. And my cut like that goes like this. So I'm not too super good at this. I've got my little Johnson red. It's only a 14-inch bar. So when the board gets really thick, I have trouble. But what I'm doing here, keep my line straight. A bit better. Run a string line to try and keep my line as straight as I can, so I don't go crooked like what I did yesterday. Throw a string line on here. Get this going. And got a little crooked there, but and then I'll go through. I found cutting this direction works better than cutting that direction. When I cut this direction, all this sawdust ends up getting jammed in the groove there. Then you're like cutting over more, just you're cutting over your sawdust repeatedly. So make this cut. Well, it didn't turn out too bad. I got a little hokey right there. But for doing it by hand, you know, freehanding it, just a saw with no guides, I mean, it turned out pretty decent as far as I'm concerned. Down here it got off a little bit too because I was trying to cut it. I was getting down there and I was trying to cut it like you normally just cut, you know, firewood. But just the secret is just kind of nipping away at it slowly and nipping away slowly and just letting the saw do the work. There's no sense in like you trying to bear down on it hard. And then this one didn't come out perfectly straight. Yeah, yesterday I was getting tired, but about 20 minutes and cool. So I'm gonna do the same thing with these guys. This big one's gonna take a while, and then you can see how, I mean, I'm gonna have to somehow, I don't even know if I'm gonna mess around with that one, but same thing is gonna happen to that one. And then these two over here. So yeah, when I was cutting those boards out there, the trees, essentially I'm just kind of taking small bites at it and just letting it go, heading in that direction as I'm going, and then walk back, slowly just letting the chainsaw do the work, not trying to like cut through it in one quick cut, but I mean it's just freehand, you're just going back and forth doing it that way. When you're coming at it this way, all the sawdust and chips is coming out this way, and you're kicking it back. If you're going, if I'm going like this direction, kicking all that chip and like all that sawdust, and I'm going over the stuff I've already cut 2 times, and it just takes longer that way. So yeah, only a 14-inch bar, and I cut through them. So till next time.